All right, first let's go ahead and take the document here that we want to copy. Load that into the scanner tray here, face down. And now on the front plate here, let's go ahead and use the arrow keys until we reach to copy. Click on OK. And then all we have to do is just go ahead and use the up arrow here until we reach the number of copies that we want. We're going to go ahead with 3, and then we want to go ahead and press the copy button, which is this right here. So let's go ahead and do that now. Before I do that, you can easily change if you want it to be color, or you can choose black and white. We're just going to leave it as color, but that's basically how you do it here. Now let's go ahead, click on copy, and then we're going to start making 3 copies of the document here that I just put on to the scanner. All right, we've now made our final copy here. Let's first go ahead, again, take out the original document. Just leave that right there at the top. And then now we got 3 more copies of it right here. So that is basically how you do the photocopy here, or making multiple copies on the Epson printer here. That's simple.